So where are we going today again, Deanna?
Mesa Verde National Park in Colorado.
Well, what are we doing at Mesa Verde?
We're gonna go on the Cliff Palace tour.
All right, see you there. Well guys, we are now back in Mesa Verde National Park and we are gonna go on the Cliff Palace tour here soon. Got our ticket?
Yep.
And we're here an hour early, so we're just gonna walk around for a little bit first. So we'll show you a quick little sneak peek of the overlook here before we head down ourselves. Here's the surrounding area. You can see there's dwellings on the other side as well. And right down here is Cliff Palace. Look how massive that is.
On behalf of the National Park Service, welcome to Mesa Verde National Park. I'm glad that you're here. Today we're going to be talking about stories. The stories in the stone of Cliff Palace. We're going to be entering somebody's home today. The ancestral Puebloan people called this place home. In the same way that we enter the homes of our neighbors and friends today, we need to enter this home respectfully. If you have water and you're feeling adequately hydrated, give me a little whoop whoop. All right, very good. Thank you.
So now we're heading down some steps to get to the start of the tour. Really cool architecture through here. How do you like an engineer?
It's incredible.
We all know through the stories of our lives, the stories of our ancestors, that people moved for a variety of reasons. Sometimes we're pushed from a place, sometimes we're pulled to a place, and for perhaps a variety of reasons, people decided to make a major move, a major change in their story. I'm calling this place home to what we today know as New Mexico, Arizona, and Texas. There's something missing that we no longer see here today, and that is the kiva roof. But we can imagine the kiva roof created out of wooden beams, similar to the wooden beams that we see still in these structures.
So now we're heading out of this tour. It's only $5 per person, and I think it's totally worth it.
Yeah, for an hour-long tour.
Yeah.
I'd say so.
Get quite a bit of information throughout the tour as well. There are some other tours at Mesa Verde National Park you can hit up. This is the only one we were able to get tickets for. The balcony house is already closed
for the season.
Closed for the season, unfortunately. Yeah. So yeah, it is a little strenuous, not too bad.
It's not terrible.
They kind of overhype it a little bit in my opinion.
Yeah.
But we're heading out and we'll kind of show you the route on our way out. We might also be showing you some other overlooks around the nearby park, since we do have a little bit more time before we head out today.
Goes down, let's go back up.
Pretty narrow through here, huh?
Good doing to eat breakfast.
So I think this is Hemingway House. viewpoint overlook area. Where is it at? I'm blind. Oh, it is in there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, a little dark. So now we have made it to the second area where we would have had a tour if they were still doing it, but this is Balcony House. This one you actually have to climb up a 30-foot ladder apparently to get to it. So apparently you can't actually go down there unless you're on the tour, so we will not be able to show you Balcony House today. Some pretty epic mountains and stuff in the background though. Yeah, apparently Balcony House is located in an alcove right below us. But so this is what it would look like, sort of, kind of, if you could get to it. It was literally, the last day was yesterday, so we just barely missed it, unfortunately. Balcony House. Next time we're here, we'll hit you up. So now we're going to do this quick little Soda Canyon Overlook trail as Deanna's falling down.
No, I was just going to point to it says round trip. So
Okay.
it's only 0.6 miles.
Elevation change is 67 feet. I think we can handle that.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So the map back there said we'll be able to see Balcony House because there's a Balcony House overlook. I don't think we've seen that one so far, so that'll be cool.
No, that was the one we were just at that we're standing on top
we
of.
couldn't see it.
Yeah, so should be a better angle here. Being as dry as it is, it's kind of surprising there's so many trees and stuff around here.
Yeah.
They must be very self-sustaining. They obviously look really dry, but feels like mid-September to late September is a perfect time to come here because temperatures are finally getting down to reasonable. High of 75 in Cortez, so probably a little bit cooler up here in this elevation. So now we're taking this little loop around, get to see Balcony House. Whatever else they have over here. Where's the balcony? It's right off over there. One of these days I'll get a camera that can actually zoom so I can show you. Maybe I'll put in one of Deanna's pictures here. But besides Balcony House, there's a couple more overlooks over here, so we'll go show you those next. Overlook that-a-way. I didn't know what I was doing either. Don't trip and fall. Got a quarter? Me neither. I've never actually used one of those things before. This, I don't think this one does cost a quarter. All right. Can you? Nope. Pretty epic view though. Just listen to the sound of nature in Deanna's zipper. No, you should not make more noise now. And now Deanna is heading towards Now Deanna's heading over there towards the third overlook, and she has now left me in her dust. And here's the third overlook, Deanna's overlook.
What took you so long?
I know, you just kind of ran in front of me there. Pretty epic. So who all wants to live on top of these canyons? Probably a little chilly during the wintertime, and well, if you're used to having a water faucet, you might have some trouble adapting here as well. Ah. Ah. So those are the three overlooks of this particular trail. So now we're gonna go try to find more stuff to do. And apparently this place is called the Cliff Tower, so they must have used to have some tall building of some sort here. We'll have to see what this sign says, but look at that view in the meantime. Wow, that's epic. So apparently they don't really know why this tower is here, but they said, let's speculate. Towers are found scattered throughout Mesa Verde. Why are they built? Archaeologists speculate they were special observation locations or ceremonial sites. Curiously, some towers are connected to ceremonial chambers by tunnels. Perhaps some towers, like Cedar Tree Tower, provided a lofty location for significant social events. We do not know. Now we're going it's the Geologic Overlook. Looks like we have to go up a ways.
That's what I said.
That's what you said, but you weren't on camera when you said that. That view sucks. Just kidding, it's pretty sweet. Check out this view. So guys, I think we're gonna head out. This is a really fun time at Mesa Verde National Park. This is our second weekend here, so we're able to go explore more. So
Yeah.
hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed it, and we will catch you in the next one. This one's a little more strenuous than I was originally anticipating. But if we hike up, we'll probably have a view.